Hello there. Welcome back to Elements in Focus. I'm Grant Soliven. With me always Aaron Rheaume, Director of Financial Planning. We're so happy to have you here at Elements in Focus. Thank you for the time spent with us today. We're going to cover tax planning, Aaron and I's favorite part of the Elements in Focus. And for those of you that are new to what we do here at Elements in Focus, what Aaron and I are trying to do with all of the viewers here is walk through what we believe are the 5 critical elements that can derail a financial journey or a financial plan. We try to give you little golden nuggets that can help plant some seeds to think about your situation that can lead you to some beneficial future success. And so today specifically in tax planning, we're going to talk about tax preparation. And so weird, Aaron, tax planning and tax preparation. Is there a difference, and what are we trying to get at here?
Yeah, greatly there is a difference. So tax planning is something that you're going to start and do throughout the year. So we're into 2024 right now. Anything that we do throughout this year is considered tax planning. So if we do Roth conversions, if we sell some stock to recognize capital gains or losses, that's tax planning. Making contributions to 529 plans and those types of things would be tax planning. Has to be done in the tax year that you're doing it. Tax preparation is taking what you did the previous year, so in 2025, reporting what you did for 2024. And so there is a major difference between the planning and preparation. Preparation can be done either using a CPA. There's a lot of do-it-yourselfers that like to use the tax software out there, TurboTax and other things to put their documents into. What we like to do is, because we do a lot of tax planning for our families, is have a collaborative relationship with their CPA or the do-it-yourselfer themselves. And so what we're trying to do is alleviate some of the work that is being pushed to the CPAs and keep them informed in what we're doing inside of your guys' financial plan throughout the year. So if we do a Roth conversion and you're working with your CPA, we want to collaborate with the CPA and say, hey, Mr. Smith or Mrs. Smith CPA, we're going to do a $30,000 conversion for you for this couple this year. Is that okay? Does that fit inside of their tax plan? Here's what we think is going to happen, but we want to make sure that the CPA is looking at it as well. If we're recognizing gains throughout the year, we want to make sure that your CPA is informed on where your capital gains stand. And so we want to use that preparation part on our end to help inform the CPAs that you're working with, or you specifically if you're a do-it-yourselfer, so that when you get into your tax preparation, they're already prepared.
Absolutely.
Anything else you want me to add?
Yeah, and so part of where we're the key, and Aaron's hitting on them beautifully here, is that at the end of the day, remember the individual preparing your taxes is going to report to the IRS the story of the previous year.
Yep.
And a lot can happen in a single year. And so collaborating and working with a team that's actually going to communicate with all of your advisors is critical. Specifically, for example, we see this all the time, man, with families that are friends that are coming in that are new, or individuals, is that they'll have done a qualified charitable distribution, for example, a QCD, right? And because of how custodians report that information, they just get a 1099. And we forget we had done those, and your tax preparer doesn't know. So they'll put that down as ordinary income. Well, actually, it was a charitable gift that shouldn't count. And so when you have proper collaboration amongst your advisory team, those things don't get missed. And at the end of the day, not that we're saying we're CPAs and not that I want that job, it's always nice to have a double check system in place, because a lot of our CPA partners there's a lot of work they have to get done. They're crunching on timelines, right? The IRS says this has to be done by this date, and a lot of times they're not getting information to the very last minute. So it's nice to have a double set of eyes on there, making sure that the tax plan that was put in place is actually being implemented successfully in that following year. And so if you're looking for a team that would help you analyze your tax situation, help provide an extra collaboration cog inside of your planning wheel, please give us a call, 800-928-4001. We'd love to connect with you and schedule a complimentary Next Steps meeting. And if you have questions related to that kind of tax preparation side or collaboration, shoot us a message. Talk to FEG, yourlifeafterwork.com. We'd love to hear from you. Or go ahead and scan that QR code as well. So thank you for being with us. We hope that you're having great tax collaboration as the year kind of takes off. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.